Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to airdrop photos, videos from iPhone to Android or from Android to iPhone. First of all, make sure your iPhone and your Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then on your both device, you have to open any browser. And now you have to open this same website from both Android and iPhones, airdrop.net. And as I said, if your iPhone and your Android phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi, here on your both mobile display, you will find iPhone device and Android device. Now, to transfer any photos and videos from iPhone to Android, on your iPhone display, just tap on this device icon, tap on photo library. And now from your library, you can go ahead and select one or multiple photos and videos to transfer. And once you select it, tap on add. And on your Android phone, just tap on accept, tap on download, and your photos and videos will be downloaded in your gallery. And the same way, to transfer anything from Android to iPhone, you have to do the same thing. On your Android phone device, just tap on this device icon and just go ahead and select those photos and videos you want to transfer, and just tap on accept on your iPhone and tap on save image, and the image or video will be saved in your Photos app, as you can see. So this was the easiest way to transfer any photos and videos from iPhone to Android using AirDrop feature. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.